Hey guys, and it's Legendary Girly Gaming here, and today I'm gonna play some Slither.io. But to remind you guys, sorry that I've been I haven't made any videos. Sorry about that. It's just that I've been busy with school because it's starting up, and I had to get school supplies. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Sorry if you hear me breathing really hardly. It's just I'm very tired. Okay, time to put in the name. Legendary Girly. This is easier. Gaming. I am gonna try to do the joystick mode because I usually do the classic mode, but I'm gonna try the joystick mode. So yeah, and I'm in the rainbow skin as usual. Now I like playing against AI, but I don't like playing against online. So yeah, let's go on AI. Now now I'm gonna try to control my joystick mode. I'm very bad at it. I mean, I've been practicing just a tiny bit, so you guys won't have to see me die right away. I'm gonna not get anybody yet. Dang it. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to AI. I'm not gonna try to go on the leaderboard because, well, I kind of am, but kind of not. If you guys get that. If I can get this guy. Oh, so close getting. Oh, yeah. Yay. No. Yay. Oh, that was a big lag. Anyways. What? Anyways, I went straight through him and that's so unfair. Yeah, sorry about that. My air conditioning is going on. Meep. I know who this is. That was close. Oh. Hold up, guys. I'm right. Oops. Sorry about that. I'm directly on sunlight, so yeah. Anyways, sorry if you guys see any ads, video ads. Anyways, don't get my food. No, my food's gone. I want it. I want it back. Oh, that was close. Anyways, as I said, I'm not that good at joystick, so. Some people like joystick more than classic. Classic is classic, as I said. Arrow, you just have to drag the arrow where you want to go. Joystick for me is very hard because I never do joystick. But it's a for today. I'm gonna keep practicing once I'm, oh, dang it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And bye.